Hello student, today we are studied the chemical thermodynamics. In this topic, the new points work done in chemical reaction. We are studied the work done in chemical reaction. The work done by a system at constant temperature and pressure is given by work done by a system at constant temperature and pressure is given by W. W means work done. W is equal to P external into delta V. Assume P external is equal to P. Therefore, W is equal to minus P delta V is equal to minus V2 minus V1 is equal to minus PV2 plus PV1. आता आपणाला माहीत आहे की W हा सिम्बॉल वर्क डनचा आहे. P एक्सटर्नल म्हणजे एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, डेल्टा V म्हणजे चेंज इन व्हॉल्यूम म्हणजेच V2 मायनस V1. आपण कन्सिडर केलं, अज्युम केलं एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू प्रेशर. At that time, the above equation is W is equal to minus P delta V. P delta V is equal to minus P V2 minus V1 is equal to minus P V2 plus P V1. If the gas were ideal using above equation, or ideal gas equation, we know that PV is equal to nRT. This is ideal gas. In ideal gas, PV1 is equal to N1RT and PV2 is equal to N2RT. At constant temperature and pressure, W is equal to minus N2RT plus N1RT is equal to minus N2 minus N1RT is equal to minus delta N RT minus delta N RT, that is W is equal to minus delta N RT, where W is work done, delta N number of moles, change in number of moles, and R gas constant, and T temperature. T is a temperature. The above equation gives the work done by the system in chemical reaction. The sign of W depend on delta V, change in volume. We consider the following cases. If N2 is greater than N1, delta N is positive and W is less than 0, work is done by the system. If N1 is greater than N2, delta N is negative and W is greater than 0, or work is done on the system. ज्यावेळी डेल्टा एन हा पॉझिटिव्ह असतो त्यावेळी वर्क इज डन बाय द सिस्टीम, अँड डेल्टा एन हा निगेटिव्ह असतो, वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टीम. सिस्टीममध्ये वर्क डन होत असते. ओके. इफ N1 is equal to N2, delta N is equal to 0 and W is equal to 0. जर N1 आणि N2 हे इक्वल असतील तर डेल्टा एन हा 0 असतो आणि त्या सिस्टीममध्ये वर्क होत नसते, म्हणून W is equal to 0. म्हणजेच नो प्रेशर व्हॉल्यूम वर्क इज डन. The number of moles of reactants and products are equal. Then enthalpies of physical transformation. First, enthalpy of phase transition. In phase transition, one phase of substance is converted into another at constant pressure and temperature without change in chemical composition. Enthalpy of फेज ट्रान्झिशन यामध्ये सबस्टन्स एका फेजकडून दुसऱ्या फेजकडे ट्रान्सफर होत असताना ॲट कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर आणि टेम्परेचर आणि त्याचं कॉम्पोजिशनसुद्धा सेम असते. ही जी फेज आहे त्याला आपण फेज ट्रान्झिशन असं म्हणतो. फेज ट्रान्झिशन. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल एन्थाल्पी ऑफ फ्युजन, डेल्टा फ्युजन एच. Enthalpy change that occurs when 1 mole of solid is converted into liquid without change in temperature at constant pressure is enthalpy of fusion. Is enthalpy of fusion. For example, H2 solid water is converted to liquid water. Delta fusion is 6.1 kilojoule per mole. When 1 mole of solid ice melts at 0 degree Celsius at 1 atmosphere pressure, change in enthalpy is 6.01 kilojoule. The same amount of heat is absorbed by ice during the melting. The reverse of fusion is freezing of solid. Liquid water is converted to solid water. Delta fusion enthalpy of fusion is minus 6.01 kilojoule per mole at 0 degree Celsius. Thus, when 1 mole of liquid water is freezes at 0 degree Celsius, heat is evolved. Okay.